Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I will give you a basic introduction about MT4 and MT5 trading platform. Many of you must be new to forex trading and MT4 trading platform might be a little complex to you. So let's go to the MT4 platform and I will give you a short overview of this platform. But before that, if you are confused between MT4 and MT5 trading platform and you don't know which one to use, I have added a video on it. You can check it out by clicking the I button. Now let's go to the MT4 trading platform. Okay, so this is the MT5 trading platform. MT4 and MT5 platforms are almost similar in the interface. So if you are using MT4, the things which I will tell you in this video will be the same for the MT4 trading platform. This is the market watchlist section where you can view charts of different currency pairs. You can also add more currency pair to this section by clicking on this plus sign and searching for the currency pair you want to add. Now, if you wish to bring any of the currency pair to the main window section, just right click on the pair which you want to add and then select the chart window. The chart will be added over here. You can shift between different charts from here like this. If you want all the charts together on one screen, just double click over here. Moving forward, you can change between the line charts, bar charts or candlestick charts from this section. From here, you can zoom in and zoom out of the chart with ease. Now, as there are different time frames, you can change the time frame of the chart too. Just right click, now go to time frames and select whichever time frame you want. Now this is the trade section where you can see your ongoing trades, your balance as well as the history of your previous trades. Now let us see how to open and close a trade. So to open a trade, you will see a box here. You can open a buy or sell trade from here itself. Just enter the lot size here and click on buy or sell. For many of you, this box may not be available. So for them, just right click on the chart and click on one click trading option. After you open a trade, if you wish to close it, you can directly do it from the trade section. Just click on the cross button. Now there are various other ways by which you can open trade like limit orders. I have already made a video on that. You can check it out by clicking the I button. MetaTrader 4 also offers various tools for technical analysis, which is available here on the toolbar. This is the crosshair by which you can find different levels. You can also calculate pips using this tool. For that, select the tool, left click and hold on to the point where you want to start measuring the pips and drag it. There are various other tools in this box like vertical line, horizontal line, trend line, etc. And if you wish to add more tools, you can go to insert, select objects and then choose whichever tool you want to use. Now let us see how to add indicators to your chart. MetaTrader provides you with a variety of indicators. To add an indicator to your chart, go to insert, select indicators. Now here there will be a variety of indicators. Choose whichever indicator you want to add and click on it. A box will pop up, adjust the settings according to your needs and then click on OK. The indicator will be added to your chart. Now if you wish to remove the indicator, right click on the chart, go to the indicator list and here you can select the indicator which you want to edit or delete. So these are the things that you will need to understand to get started with MetaTrader 4. Many of you watching this video may be beginner in forex. So for you all, I have added a beginners playlist which will help you get started with forex. You can check it out by clicking the I button. I hope you understood everything correctly. If you have any problem using the MetaTrader 4, you can ask me in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for all the forex related content. Thank you.